What's up, everyone? So today I'll show you how I'll furnish my third apartment in Dubai, and I'll tell you everything from the amenities, the location, the delivery timelines, but most importantly, I will share the full price list of all the items and even the work that is required to be done here. So if you're interested to find out more and see how all this turns up, stay tuned as we're starting. So just parked, came here to our new building where we're gonna be furnishing a one-bedroom apartment, and this is in Dubai Creek. It's a new area for me, but it's super beautiful, and let me show you why. So getting into the lifts, this apartment is floor 33. This is actually my third apartment in Dubai, and it's a one-bedroom. It's around 68 meters squared, and it's in a new build, which is Creek Edge. And it's actually two kind of twin buildings. One is just double the size of another, so 20 floors and 40 floors. And it has really great amenities, and also they are on the first line, so first line of the sea. So I'll show you in a bit how it looks like. Here's the apartment. It's fully furnished. We received the carpet already. This is the view. It's really beautiful. The windows are a little bit dirty, so I'll have to clean them. But yeah, that's the apartment. So pretty spacious living room. I think we're gonna do a lot of cool things here. Then we have the bedroom. So here's the bedroom. The view from the bedroom, also pretty cool. We have a wardrobe here. Here we have a storage room, which is pretty spacious as well. It's also for the washing machine. And here we have the bathroom. It's also pretty good. Definitely a very spacious apartment for a person living here, but for a couple as well. So let's see how it ends up. I will fully furnish it myself with, of course, some help of the people that are going to deliver the things, and some installation help as well. But everything was chosen by me, and at the end I'm gonna show you exactly how I paid for everything and how much I paid actually for everything, so that you know how much is the full furnishing of a one-bedroom in Dubai. And that's an update for 2024, because I did exactly the same one in 2023 for my one bed in Business Bay. So stay tuned, I'll show you everything, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about any of these items. I'm gonna drop obviously a list of all the prices. But yeah, let's see how it ends up. So first thing, we are going to install the lights, and also we already ordered the curtains, so that's gonna be custom made. Actually, many things here are going to be custom made, and don't get scared, it's actually not so expensive to do so. And that's gonna be happening today. The curtains are going to be brought in 2 days, and we already received the carpets. And today also I am going to install all the white goods here, so the washing machine, the cooker, and the fridge, of course. So that's step number one. I think it's good to get all the big things out of the way, and also waiting until our sofa and the bed is getting customized. and that is going to fit in perfectly afterwards, so we don't need to re-clean this apartment once again. First thing done, put the cooker stove. Chose the electric one because here in Dubai you need to connect to gas and then pay for gas, which honestly gives more troubles than ease. So I'd rather just pay a bit more for the electricity and avoid paying I think it's at least 1,000 dirhams gas deposit. So yeah, who knows, afterwards you have to disconnect and you need to go back to get the deposit like in cash. It doesn't work well for me, so I think the electric one works perfect. This is me between waiting for the next appointment or delivery. It's actually quite boring when you're doing it for the whole day, but we find our own ways to have fun. Meanwhile, as we wait, I wanted to show you that I really like that MR started, at least I see it now, doing these storage spaces, which are literally everywhere, and this gives you so much more storage space, like honestly. And also this thing, this is literally another storage mini room. That's super cool. And the kitchen already changed. Have the fridge and the stove. Moving on with the lights. So today's job is finished. We have the lights here. Very nice. And we have the same in the bedroom. You can see well. So the colors actually can change, and the warmth of the white and warm basically can also be adjusted. I have two remote controls for this. So I need to change the batteries. And then all this is going to be dimmable and basically changeable as well. And we have the kitchen more or less ready as well.